We got a beautiful 2023 Salem all winter package, mid bunk. But look what they did on 2023. Woo! Look how beautiful this is. One of the best floor plans. Hands down. That turns into a sleeper sofa. You got a fireplace, island kitchen, beautiful upholstery. You have a beautiful pantry. You got wine bottles up top. But this room could be an office, kids' room. This could be great storage, sleepovers. Got a beautiful bathroom. But look at this. 2 ACs, washer and dryer connections. This is the best floor plan, hands down, and the best insulation. Gotta love it.